Welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Alex Sindris, and I'm here at the 2017 SPE Hydraulic Fracturing Technical Conference. And joining me here is Brian Goldstein. He's Product Director for Propel SSP at Fairmount Santrol. Brian, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Alex. Good to see you.
So first, can you tell us about the new Propel SSP 350 proppant transport technology and how it works?
Yeah, so Propel SSP 350 is an extension of our proppant transport technology, which has been in the market for 4 years at this point. What it does is it extends the ability to work in high salinity water. So if you take where we've been historically, we work primarily in fresh water, where you're limited to about 1,000 ppm of TDS. Where we can go is extend that by 350 times to a 350,000 ppm TDS water. What Propel SSP technology is a proppant transport technology. It enables you to be able to transport any proppant of any mesh in any water anywhere in the fracture that you want to place it. So what you're able to do is overcome the classical barriers of proppant settling, proppant duning, some of the limitations tied to frac fluid chemistries such as slick water where you have limited proppant transport, or gel where you might have damage to your formation. Which can really limit how you have connectivity and connectivity back to wellbore upon production.
What are the new capabilities added by this new proppant transport system?
Specifically, it's the ability to have a range extension of our water quality. So where you have water-starved areas such as the Permian, where you have brackish water, high salinity water, and people converting to produced water, or up in the Marcellus, for example, where there's regulations and limited disposal wells, you have the ability to work with the peace of mind that you don't have limitations on the water quality anymore. So that is the number one extension. We've kept the same peace of mind by keeping the same chemical base, if you will, but extending that to the ability to have the range of acceptance. So when you use this technology, you can be able to have that peace of mind that you can place that proppant the way you were with the freshwater system, but now able to work in some of these more water-challenged areas.
What results have you seen so far from using the new technology in high salinity water applications?
Yeah, so the early tests that we've done have been in the Permian, which again is an area that we've stayed away from the water challenges. So what we've been able to do and what we started off testing is the ability to test the thesis of propped height. So trying to evaluate that the technology truly does maintain the propped height throughout the fracture that has been induced, and being able to prove that it has the transport, the height, and also the ability to hydrate, swell, and be able to transport with ease. So that is the biggest thing that we've looked at from a testing standpoint. From a production standpoint, the technology was based purely upon making better wells. It's not about a chemical shift. It's about how do you truly make a better well with better production. So what we're doing right now is continuing to validate those technical performance properties downhole through post-production analysis and continuing to improve upon that.
Brian, thanks again for chatting with us today.
Thank you so much, Alex. Good to see you again.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us today at drillingcontractor.org.